It's another day in Thailand and welcome to Bubble in the forest. And we've just arrived in the Bubble in the forest, and we want to pay for the activity that you are going to do over here. So let's see what they have. I think when you pay, we are going to enter via this entrance. Stay tuned and let's meet inside. So we are entering this cave. Oh, ni restaurant eh? Mimi kwani nilikuwa najua nini? Look at the blue water. Yeah. The water is so blue. So tunaenda kukulia kwa kanyumba kama haka. Tunaenda juu. Oh, this is amazing. Oh my god. Here tumeandikwa. No, we just go.
You could do, but this is the exact location.
Haini maji iko blue hivyo.
They dyed so that it can have that
Hey. Hey. Oh, up there.
You can have the ambient.
Yeah.
Alafu hiyo red chair ya kupigwa picha.
Bubble in the forest. Huku tuna. So we go. Hapo una walk down there leaving it here. We are going up there. That's where we are going to have our lunch over there. And this is how it looks like. The water is so blue. Look at that. Oh, this is amazing. This is amazing. This is beautiful. This is Bubble in the forest. Look at every person is having lunch. Let's proceed. Let's get up there. So I've arrived. I want to sit up there so that I can get the ambience of the whole place. And here we are going to take off the shoes. There's a spiral. Hello. So she's going to prepare for us where we're going to sit. This way, just two of us. I'm going to sit here. These are the things that I'm going to sit on. This is our table. Let me first show you the ambience of up there. Let's see, people are taking photos. The ambience from here is very amazing. It's so beautiful, guys. Having a lunch for such beautiful ambience with everything. I love the lights, the detail of lights, so cute. So let's make an order and proceed to what we are going to have. This is the menu. Here's Thai dessert. This is how the dessert look like. I think I'm going to start with something to drink. So this is the right menu to use. And then later I order some food. Out of choice. I'm out of choice. Strawberry cheesecake smoothie is 189 baht. Mhm. Mango cheese lunch of smoothie. Oh, is this bulle with salted egg? Oh, Lord, no. I want something sweet. Matcha with top coconut. I love coconut a lot. I want something with coconut, and I think I'm going to go with this. Dai tea and coconut. Cocoa on top of coconut. This is matcha. I think I'm going to have this. The food is ready. Mine is fried shrimp and this drink. It has coconut jelly. I really love coconut. Milk is rice, pineapple rice. You drink? Not yet. Yes. Let's have a taste.
Is it your first time having fried noodles? Oh, okay. How is the shrimps, the fried shrimps? Yeah, the African way. Wow. I love the ambience of this place. When the water's so blue. People today, it's a different face. Those new here, I'm Emily. I'm about to surprise my girl, Jay, with her phone, with a flip phone, iPhone for her birthday. I hope she likes it. She's busy back there shooting, like making the best content for you guys. I hope she likes it. I really hope she does. So come with me as I surprise the queen. I hope she loves it. That's our girl busy with contents. Hi baby girl. How are you? I didn't get you anything for your birthday.
iPhone.
So yeah, kindly pose if you don't mind.
I'm taking a serious video.
Close your eyes.
I close.
Yes, close your eyes.
Are you sure?
Very sure. So guess, what do you want? What are you expecting from me?
Hammies.
Hammies.
Yes.
What else?
Perfume.
What else?
Just perfume in a bag.
Perfume in the bag.
Yes.
Okay, don't open your eyes. Feel this.
Perfume.
Perfume.
Yes.
Open your eyes.
My love.
Your favorite brand.
Yeah.
Okay. Open your eyes. It's a carton.
Hakuna kitu. Kuna kitu.
Unafikiriaje?
Aki, this is your car. No, yours has 3.
Yeah.
Lord Jesus. I have done something. Oh my God. Thank you so much. Oh my God. Oh my Lord. Oh my Lord. Is it new?
Yeah, it's a brand new iPhone for
Thank you so
your
much.
shooting.
How did you know that I needed a phone?
Because I'm your girl.
Oh my
I know these
God.
things.
Man, thank you so much.
I hope you like it.
I do.
I chose the same color as mine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. I don't know where to hug you.
Now it's about time
Thank you so much.
I hope you
I love
enjoy
you.
it. Yeah. Watch it.
After content after
Please keep subscribing. Watch to the next one.
Oh my
And
God.
see what I give her back home.
There's another thing. For sure.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Who bought you? Who read you?
So many gifts.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah. So how old do you turn?
30.
30.
Yeah.
Oh, so young.
No, I'm not young. I want to tell my people that my friend. Oh my God. And I'm so happy. I really needed a phone to record my videos. And I have it. Thank you so much.
Okay. Can you open so that we can see if it's not a dummy? Okay.
Yeah.
Brand new
Oh,
iPhone.
it has kuna karatasi hata.
It's for you to do the honors.
Yes, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy. Now they're expecting content after content.
Yes.
Yes.
Sitawaangusha guys.
Okay.
Now I'm good to go.
Girl Jace Sunshine in her elements. Oh, she's enjoying life here in Thailand. She just looks like these Thai people. Look at her sandals, so cute.